Hello friends, today we are back with a new video on how to learn vocabulary with the help of mnemonics. In the last video, we discussed 20 new words of letter A. The video link is in the description below. Today we will learn 20 more words. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the video useful. Let's start. Arcane means secret or mysterious. Split it as AR plus cane. Relate Kane to Kane. Kane is a WWE wrestler who has a mask on his face. When there is a mask on his face, which means his identity is a secret. So, arcane means secret or mysterious. Archaic means antiquated. Relate archaic to Archie's. Archie's is a company famous for its collection of gifts and greeting cards. In earlier times, we used traditional greeting cards to say birthday wishes. Now, all we do is virtual greeting wishes. So, we got Archie's greeting card in our childhood times, which we have kept with ourselves, which is very old or antiquated. Archaeology means study of artifacts and relics of early mankind. Split it as archeo plus logi. In the previous word, we learnt the word archaic, which means something very old or antiquated. Logi means study. So, archaeology means study of something very old or antiquated articles. Archipelago means group of closely located islands. Split it as AR plus chip plus pelago. Relate chip to ship. In a ship, you go to group of islands. So, archipelago means a group of closely located islands. Archives means public records or places where public records are kept. Relate archives to Archie's. Archie's is a company famous for its collection of gifts and greeting cards. Relate collection of greeting cards to collection of records. So, archives is a place where public records are kept. Ardent means intense, passionate or zealous. Split it as AR plus dent. Dent is a slight hollow in a hard surface made by a blow or pressure. A racer always drives the car at high speed because he is very passionate about that. When the car is driven at high speed, accident occurs and dents are formed on the car. So, ardent means intense or passionate. Ardus means hard or strength. Split it as ARD plus UO plus US. Relate ARD to hard and UO to you. When someone is too harsh or hard on us but we still manage to survive, then it shows our strength or how hard we are. So, ardus means hard or strength. Aria means a long accompanied song for a solo voice. Aria sounds like Maria. Maria Maria is a song of actor Salman Khan. A song is sung by a person. So, Aria is a long accompanied song for a solo voice. Arid means dry or barren. Split it as A plus rid. Relate rid to rigid. Rigid means something which is unable to bend. Hard materials which are dry are usually unable to bend. So, arid means dry or barren. Example, plants like cactus grow in arid conditions like desert. Aristocracy means privileged class or hereditary nobility. Split it as aristo plus cracy. Relate Aristo to Aristotle. Aristotle is a famous Greek philosopher, and in ancient time only rich people could learn philosophy. That means Aristotle belongs to a privileged or a noble family. Cracy is a root word related to form of government or rule. So, aristocracy means government by privileged class. Armada means fleet of warships. Split it as arm plus adda. Adda in Hindi means a place. Imagine a place which moves and has arms in it, which means fleet of armed ships. So, Armada means fleet of warships. Aromatic means fragrant. Split it as A plus romantic. Relate romantic to romantic. Usually, when fresh odor or fragrance comes, then the mood becomes romantic. So, aromatic means fragrant. Arraic means charge in quote. Split it as array plus IGN. Relate array to error. Error is something which should not be done. It can be related to a form of crime. So, when you do crime, you will be arrested and taken to court. So, arraying means charge in court. Array means assemble and arrange. Split it as A plus ray. Relate ray to ray of light. A ray of light comes from the window in a straight way. That means it is assembled and arranged in an order. So, array means assemble and arrange. Arrears means being in debt. Split it as ARR plus years. Relate years to tears. If your business runs in loss and you go in debt, then tears will come from your eyes. So, arrears means being in debt. Arrogance means pride or haughtiness. Split it as arrow plus gens. Relate arrow to error and guns to ignorance. Imagine a student preparing for exam and is overconfident. Then he will make error because of his ignorance or overconfidence. So, arrogance means pride or haughtiness. Arroyo means a small steep-sided watercourse. Split it as A plus royo. Related to a bromat. In Hindi, it means don't cry. When somebody cries, then tears come from his eyes. So, arroyo means a small steep-sided watercourse. Arsenal means storage place for military equipment. Split it as AR plus Sena plus L. Relate L to land and Sena in Hindi means military. In a military land where soldiers are present, there will be a storage for weapons as well. So, arsenal means storage place for military equipment. Artful means clever or skillful. Split it as art plus full. A person who has lot of talent or full of art is called artful. So, artful means clever or skillful but in a crafty or cunning way. Articulate means effective or distinct. Split it as arty plus culate. Relate arty to art and culate to calculate. Art means expression or application of human creative skill and imagination. If a person has both art and can do calculations, can deliver the speech in an effective way. So, articulate means effective or distinct. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the video useful and subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Thank you.